Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'll be showing you all how to make waffles. So let's begin.
So for making waffles I have taken fine grain sugar. This is very fine grain. You can also take powder sugar. I have taken all purpose flour. I have taken corn flour. This is optional. I'm adding corn flour just because the waffle become crispy. If you don't have it, don't add it. It's completely okay. I've also taken baking powder, unsalted butter and milk. So I've taken 3 eggs and we are going to separate it. I've already separated and kept it ready. And the last we are going to take vanilla essence and salt. The first step, I'm going to melt the butter and keep it aside. So friends, for the second step I'm going to take egg whites and I'm going to beat till it's stiff consistency. So here it's come into stiff consistency. Let's start the next process. So I'm going to sieve all the dry ingredients, all purpose flour, corn flour, baking powder and salt. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon. I'm going to sieve it. So here it's done. Let's start with the next process. So the next I'm going to beat the egg yolks and the powdered sugar. I'm going to beat till all get mixed very well. I just beat it till it's well combined. You can also use a hand whisk, and I'm going to add the milk. The milk is warm. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And I'm just going to beat till it's well combined. That will be just few seconds. So I beat it only for few seconds and I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. I'm going to just fold it. I'm going to add in 3 parts. So I'm going to add the egg whites and I'm going to fold it very softly. I'm not going to beat it. I'm going to add little by little. Softly mix it. And I'm going to add the remaining egg whites. I'm going to slowly just fold it. So the batter is slowly nicely combined and you can see how soft the batter is. Now I'm going to add the melted butter. And again I'm going to slowly just mix it well. So the friends, you can see the waffle batter is ready, how light it is. So let's begin with making waffles. So let's make the waffle. I'm going to grease the pan nicely with the butter. I'm going to pour this a ladle full of waffle batter. I'm going to spread it. And in a very slow gas I'm going to cook it. It's going to take 5 minutes and I'm going to cook it both the sides. I'm going to turn over after 2 minutes. So friends, I've cooked the waffle both the sides and you can see it's done. So you can see it's done both the sides. So I'm going to remove it. And here is a beautiful waffle ready.
So I hope you liked today's video. Please share and subscribe my channel with your friends and family. Until then, see you by next time.